Hi! This is my first video in English for YouTube and I'm very excited because I'm from Ukraine and this is my third language. I speak Russian, Ukrainian and English. I learned English maybe 1 year, but I'm still a little excited and don't know so many words. But I won't make today unpacking. I order so many beautiful things from Shein. I know so many people from USA love things from Shein, and of course I'm order this things too. So now we make unpacking. I have big box and we started. Sorry about my accent. I'm really excited because it's my first video and I want to make beautiful video with beautiful things. Oh my god. So, are you ready? Oh my god. First, I have a beautiful skirt. Oh my gosh. I very want. I order, this is size S, like you say 4. S4. So now I want to try wearing. So this is little big for my stomach. I know I have big ass, but my stomach it's not big, so every time I have trouble with skirt or jeans, so I don't know, maybe I need XS, like 2 for USA size. But I like it. It's beautiful. It's nice. Second, oh, I have a beautiful dress. Oh my gosh. I want to try. Gosh, I like it. It's really beautiful. And this is not expensive. This is like for New Year or Christmas or I don't know, birthday party. I like it a lot. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. Okay. Okay, let's go. It's not comfortable. Is this? Now better. Okay. We have. Oh, I know this is very beautiful street. Oh yes. Oh yes. This is costume like suit with skirt short. Yes, in one part this is skirt, in one part this is short, and small like I don't know pijak. I don't know how this is in English. You can tell me. Very sexy, I think. It's very sexy, but I don't know. This is little big here, like here. You see? But here I have big ass. For me, this is problem. Here it's okay. Here is little big. I don't know. Excess, I think for me, not nice idea. Wear my top. Now better. So next. Oh, I know what is this. Oh my god, yes, this is very beautiful dress. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. This is I order. This is for New Year or my birthday. I don't know. I want to try. This is amazing. This is very comfortable dress and very beautiful. I like it a lot. This is very nice. I'm scared order white because I think maybe my body not so ideal, but I like it. What do you think? With my white socks. I order shoes too, but I don't see. Oh, maybe yes, I see. Oh yes, I see my shoes, my beautiful shoes. I very want order Versace, but Versace is so expensive. I want order Versace and I want to buy Versace, but Versace I don't know, maybe $1,000. I don't know. And this is I order. Oh, it's like Versace, you know. This is like Versace. Oh my god. It's like Versace. Oh, very beautiful. Oh my god. This is 100% comfortable. I don't know you see my shoes or no, but oh my god, this is amazing. This is very comfortable, very beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy I ordered these shoes. This is price cheaper. It's okay, normal. It's really cheaper price in Shein. So I love these shoes. It's very comfortable. This is really like Versace. So next, oh, I know what is this. You know, now have new trend with music. Попробуем, попробуй, Джага, попробуй. And I want to go to Utah for my birthday, and I want to wearing this. I know. Show you. Oh my god. This is size M. So how I look. This is interesting, but I don't know. Maybe for video it's okay, but for usually normal day, I don't know. Okay, I will try. Maybe it's okay. How you think? Okay. Next. Of course, soon Christmas, you know. Yeah, this is, I don't know name for my legs. I don't know name. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Uh-oh. Oh, I know. This is like for home, like shirt. I want to try. It's very comfortable. Look, this is for home. This is very comfortable. I don't know, material. It's okay. It's okay, not bad. But this is cheaper. This is cheap. This is not expensive. And this is for home. I like it. For me, this is nice. I like it. Next. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I will try. It's little sexy. I like it. So it's okay. Oh, I have next. I know this is very hot. Very hot. For Christmas present for your boyfriend or something. Or husband. This is very sexy, I think. So this is my like things. Oh no, this is my last. This is for cooking. You know, this is for oil. You know what this is. Okay, this is my last, and that's it. Please write me if you like. I'm very excited still, so I'm very excited about my accent, about my wrong words, and something else. Please write me if you like it, and subscribe me. Bye bye.